Well, that's where she's going. That's who's gonna fix her all up, get her looking good as new. Well, I grabbed a few things that I'm gonna need for working on the boat over the winter months, and I'm gonna lock up, and I won't be back more than likely until April. All right, guys. Wish me luck. All right, I've got the backrest off, which was damaged in the storm up there, along with this area here. So the shop that's doing the work, they're gonna pull this wood off and replace it from the damage. This goes back to Lakeshore Boat Top, where they're gonna redo the upholstery. They're gonna use the same material they've been using, which is called chalk, which is what my side panels and those seats right there are done with. I'm hoping to get these backrests done before the springtime too. All right, I stopped by the shop. Looks like he's got a lot going on here. They got the rub rail off. They're starting to work on the glass, building up new glass where we had damage. There's stress cracks all throughout the side that he's highlighted with a black marker to go over with the insurance. And they're going to get started on removing this wood and replacing it. So in the springtime, I'm going to have to revarnish all this, but I kind of needed to anyways. No big deal on that. So everywhere you see the marker, that's outlining stress cracking. He started the repair on some of the worst stuff over here, but they're actually incredibly hard to see, so that's why he's kind of highlighting them. So when the insurance guy comes back out, they can discuss all that. Getting a move on it this December 2nd today, and it's only been here for a few weeks and it's already making a ton of progress. This corner was sort of a surprise. I didn't really see the lower hull plug having damage down here. We couldn't see it till we brought it in the building. So there's about 10 layers of glass there that he's building up with poly, and just waiting for it to cure now, and I'll start getting to work on this. I think the entire transom is getting sprayed with new gel, and so is pretty much the entire port side here. Well, I came to the boat and things escalated quickly. I took the swim platform off. I should be paying for the swim platform on Monday, so it'll be officially ordered, and it'll be here in March. Right now it's December. So things are progressing. All right, so what am I doing today? At the end of the year, I discovered my shower was leaking really bad. We opened up this hatch, and there was probably 8 inches of water in here. What happened is the shower bilge. There's a bulkhead right here, about where my foot is, and on the other side is this shower bilge. So let's see if I can get some light. All right, so I got to clean all this up, and you've got these two here in the back corner. Let me zoom in or get in closer. The white corrugated tube right there, that's the outbound right here. So as you shower, this fills up with water until it makes that switch, and then it shoots it out the side of the boat. I believe, and if I'm lucky, the shoot it out the side of the boat hose is what's leaking. If that's not what's leaking, I have to cut up the floor in the head. This floor will come up pretty easily. I just kind of threw this together real quick. So that's not a big deal. But I'll have to cut a hole in the floor about dead center of the frame right now of what I'm filming. So that gives me access to the drain in the corner here. Unfortunately, a lot of people have had that problem. I'm just hoping that it's not what I'm dealing with. This corrugated tubing here is the same tubing that I had to replace down in the bilge over the summer. So it must just be at the end of its usable life. Well, I guess I'll let you guys know. All right, I'm back on the project here for the shower sump. Up inside of this cubby hole, there was a through-hole fitting. And let's see if I can turn on the light or not. I don't think I can. Anyways, there's a through-hole fitting. And getting my hand up in there to get the two hose clamps off was a trick. I tried the 5/16 on the ratchet. I tried just the extension. I tried the stubby. The combination of the three got me there to get this off. And so yeah, it travels down the side of this bulkhead and into there. But this is not a fun job, not at all. That's just half of it. I'm hoping I don't have to do the half where I have to cut the floor open, but we'll see. Well, I came to check in on the boat. It looks like he's making some progress here. All the body work that he had done looks like he fared out, smoothed out, and this looks like the initial first pass of new gel coat. The work he's done so far, I've been blown away by. The match has been phenomenal. So I'll show you guys a little snippet of some other stuff he's done already that matched perfectly. So while it's here, he's going to go ahead and fill in the bolt holes for the old swim platform, glass and gel. I got to look inside the boat to see what's best for me, but I am actually going to pass a wire through one of these holes and do some lighting underneath the new extended swim platform. So all but one of these holes will be filled in and professionally sealed up like it was never there. This is one of the spots that he's done with already. And the match is really good. Really, really good. And it's nice and shiny. I am so stoked. Awesome. All right, fast forward here. About a week later, I'm back in town again. I stopped by the shop to come take a look at the boat. Looks like a lot of the body work is done, and they're spraying some gel. Let me get up there and get a closer look. So it looks like this is where the soft spot was. I thought that it was like maybe 3 to 6 inches. But once he got into it, he ended up having to go about 5 feet. You can see the line here. They're going to take a print of this non-skid and then recreate the non-skid all the way up. But he had to go quite a ways. You can't leave any trace of the rot, otherwise it'll come back. So he's working on that, and then looks like he's done. A little more up front, and the match on the gel coat is second to none. So let's go back here and take a few looks at what's going on back there. So I talked to the shop today. They're going to end up replacing all the teak. It simply just will never match. So all the teak around the back side is going to be new, including the door, all the way around. I was never happy with it. Hopefully starting fresh, I'll be happy again. And I don't know what I'm going to do for a finish. Maybe oil, maybe Sickens, maybe Epiphen's, Captain, Schooner, I don't know. I had a quick minute to stop by the boat on my way back to Ohio, where I work. But they got all of the teak off now, and it looks like this week they're going to repattern all this teak and make all new teak panels so it all matches. All right, it's been another week later, and I stopped in to see the progress on the boat. Looks like they started wet sanding and buffing. That was probably the first indication right there. But everything's starting to look really good here. Nice and shiny, really good match. The swim platform should be here within a week, I would say. It's leaving Colorado, I believe, today. So the next part will be the installation on it. I'm kind of looking forward to it. It's 5 years in the making.